Hello everyone. You must have heard that many companies have paused their hiring this year due to global job cuts around the world.
Big tech companies like Amazon and Google have announced a freeze in hiring.
Announced that it's letting go of 19,000 employees.
So does that mean getting into a big company has become impossible? Well, no. As per the new reports in India, most of the companies are actively hiring. And one such company is Deloitte. Yes, one of the big four firms is planning to hire thousands of freshers this year.
We plan to hire more than 40 to 50,000 people over the next 4 to 5 years.
Founded in 1845, Deloitte has grown into a global powerhouse.
Founded in 1845, Deloitte started as a small London firm. Today, it's a global powerhouse, driving innovation, transformation.
Operating in 150 plus countries with over 450,000 employees. But this year, they are becoming more choosy about where they go and who they hire. So to help you land a job in one of the top consulting firms, that is Deloitte, I have divided this video into these sections. First, how to get a job at Deloitte as a fresher, on and off campus both, including their eligibility criteria and recruitment process. Steps to apply for job via Deloitte career page and interview tips from Deloitte HR team. In India, Deloitte hires for a wide range of roles across consulting, audit, tax, risk advisory and technology services. Deloitte के ऑफिसेज ऑलमोस्ट हर बड़े सिटी में हैं, जैसे बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद, मुंबई, दिल्ली, पुणे एंड चेन्नई। तो अगर आप एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हो जो अपनी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करने वाले हो या एक फ्रेशर हो, then Deloitte can be a great company to work with. Deloitte hires freshers through 3 ways. First, on-campus recruitment drives, second, Deloitte graduate programs, and third, off-campus hiring programs. अब हर एक प्रोग्राम को एक-एक करके समझ लेते हैं. So first, on-campus recruitment drives. One of the primary way Deloitte hire freshers is through campus recruitment drives. They team up with top universities and colleges across India to hire the best candidates for job roles like analyst, software developer, and data analyst. For these roles, Deloitte looks for candidates with a full-time BE, BTech, MTech, or MCA degree, 60 to 65% marks throughout your academics, and no active backlog at the time of appearing for the exam. Now let's look at their recruitment process. As a part of initial screening process, your application will be reviewed by relevant talent acquisition team member. If you clear that, then the recruitment process will start. सबसे पहले होगा एक ऑनलाइन टेस्ट जो आपको 3 एरियाज पे टेस्ट करेगा, आपकी कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी पे, टेक्निकल नॉलेज पे एंड इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी पे. एंड इफ यू पास द ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट, देन यू विल बी मूव्ड ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट राउंड डिपेंडिंग on the role you are applying for. It may be group discussion or a case study round. The next round will be technical interview round and the final round will be the HR interview round. And when you clear all these rounds, आपको Deloitte से एक confirmation मिलेगा for joining. It is possible कि कंपनी आपको ऑन द स्पॉट ऑफर लेटर दे दे, बट इन मोस्ट केसेस हायरिंग मैनेजर आपको बाद में ईमेल के थ्रू ऑफर एक्सटेंड करते हैं. सेकंड इज Deloitte ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम. अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट या ग्रेजुएट हैं तो Deloitte graduate program is a great way to start your career at the company. Through this program, Deloitte offers internship opportunities in different fields like tax and legal, technology and transformation, engineering, AI and data human capital. And here you get to work with blue chip companies like Microsoft, Starbucks, startups, government departments as they are Deloitte clients. You are eligible for graduate program if you are completing your studies in 2025 and ready to join the program full-time in 2026. You can also apply if you have completed your studies up to 24 months before the program starts. So to apply for it, visit Deloitte site, find a role that you are interested in and read its job description carefully. Create an account by filling out the application form and submit it. If your application is shortlisted, then you will be invited for an interview or assessment. The interview will test your technical skills and your cultural fitness for the role. If you clear the interview and assessment round, then Deloitte talent acquisition team will contact you and extend the offer. Now let's talk about off-campus hiring programs at Deloitte. It runs multiple off-campus programs to hire freshers like Deloitte Graduate School Maverick program. It is 3-stage competition. This program is designed for graduates looking to step into entry-level consulting and advisory roles. If you have a degree in fields like engineering, commerce or business, this could be a fantastic way to start your career at Deloitte. ये एक टीम चैलेंज है जिसमें मल्टीपल क्वालिफाइंग राउंड्स होंगे. इन राउंड्स में आपको एक सीरीज ऑफ टेस्ट एंड चैलेंजेस दिए जाएंगे जिन्हें क्लियर करके द टॉप टीम्स विल मूव टू अ वन डे फिनाले. इस फिनाले में आपको एक रियल वर्ल्ड बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम दी जाएगी एंड यू विल हैव टू फाइंड इनोवेटिव सॉल्यूशंस फॉर इट. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि अगर आप एक फर्स्ट या सेकंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट हैं तो भी आप इस प्रोग्राम के लिए एलिजिबल हैं. बट यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि कंपटीशन तो ठीक है, जॉब का क्या? Let me tell you what Deloitte offers the participants. You will get a pre-placement interview and internship opportunity with Deloitte. Participants will also get an opportunity to work with specialists in their fields. The winning team and the top performer will also get cash prizes and rewards at each stay. So to apply for Deloitte Graduate School Maverick program, you just need to visit Deloitte career website, go to the student section, look for the Graduate School Maverick program and submit your application online. तो चलिए बात करते हैं कि आप Deloitte के करियर पेज के थ्रू कैसे जॉब अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो अगर आप एक फ्रेशर या एक्सपीरियंस हैं तो Deloitte has some incredible opportunities for you in fields like technology, operations, supply chain, finance, talent marketing and customer experience. So to apply for job at Deloitte, all you need to do is visit Deloitte career portal, filter your job search based on your experience level, preferred location and area of interest. This will help you find jobs that align with your career goals. Then select a job role that interests you. Make sure to read the full job description to understand the requirements and the responsibilities, and then apply it when you are ready. And also sign up for their talent network. You can also keep checking job portals like International Fresher Jobs for opportunities in big brands like Deloitte and more. The best part is you can land a good starting salary here. So the first step in Deloitte hiring program is submitting your resume. The hiring team will evaluate your online application. They will assess कि आपने जिस role के लिए apply किया है क्या आप उसके लिए suitable हो या नहीं. Next, you will have to give online assessment. In this online assessment, Deloitte will assess some key areas like your analytical skills, your technical skills and your communication skills to get a sense of your overall skill set. For some roles, you may require to complete either psychometric or skill-based tests depending on the role. So next will be the interview process. The interviews at Deloitte are competency-based and are conducted by experienced interviewers. The first interview is generally a telephonic screening or face-to-face initial interview with a member of talent acquisition team. This is also your opportunity to ask any question about the role and the firm. This is followed by a face-to-face technical, panel or case study interview with the service line you are applying for. This will be an in-depth interview and discussion will be around your technical and motivational fit for the role, team and the firm. And the number of interviews here will depend on the role you are applying for. The final stage will be a meeting with partner or the director from the service line you may be joining. लेकिन इतनी बड़ी कंपनी में कितने सारे लोग अप्लाई करते हैं तो हाउ विल यू स्टैंड आउट अमंग दीज एप्लीकेशंस. सो फॉर दैट डेलॉइट के रिक्रूटर ने आपको कुछ बोनस सक्सेस टिप्स दिए हैं जिन्हें यूज करके आप इंटरव्यू को क्लियर कर सकते हैं. सो यू कैन चेक देम हियर ऑन देयर वेबसाइट. So all the required links are added in the description box below. And with that, I come to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below if you have any questions regarding Deloitte hiring process. Till then, all the best.